lobotomized.
Yo, I think the craziest shit in life is the way a person can change. Cause it's like scary and beautiful all in one thing. There's always that one girl that got away, that one drink too many. We don't mention no names, we just pour the fucking Henny. I got memories that scare me, other memories that save me. As a kid, drove my mother crazy, and now I'm 25 years in. I miss the innocence, before the instruments, before I knew about racism and ignorance. We just learn from experience, influence can help carry on tradition. Guess what? I'm having good times with all my bad decisions.
And we ride, and we ride.